Hi guys, Steensy and MB15 challenge lock number 1. I won't show you the key, but I wouldn't want to give you nightmares, to be honest. I have had a look at the key and it filled me with dread. Now, there's a few things about this lock that I'm not overly fond of, apart from the fact it makes a mug out of me nearly every time I try to film this. This must be about take 26 or something. But the other thing is, I think the pins have been modified a little bit too much. And so, I mean, sometimes you can't even get the key in, it just jams. Which suggests to me that it's been overdone, which, is it a bad thing? Right, we're in a nice false set there. So that's set there. Trying to be very definite with which pin I'm on, because I always tend to get the wrong ones with these cylinders for some reason. It always sounds like it's doing nice things, doing the right thing, but sometimes it just won't let go. Possibly down to the pins, or possibly down to my inaccurate picking. But it never seems to pick exactly the same way twice. It's something you can open, but it doesn't seem repeatable, not in the same way. Which again suggests that it's been overcomplicated a bit inside. Well, it felt nice. Oh, blimey, there we go, 4 minutes. A bit of knowledge, a lot of luck, but at least this time, finally on camera. Thanks for watching.